Hello everyone, today is Thursday, September 4th, 2020. The value is freedom. What do you see here? Okay, flying animals. We got some birds. So the topic for today is flying animals. So we're going to watch a small video about flying animals and a small story, okay? So pay attention.
The birds, animals, and the bat. In a big, dense forest, animals lived under the trees, and birds lived on the trees. By now, you must know what birds and animals are. And yes, kids, there's also the bat who lived on the tree. All of them used to live happily together and never fought. But one day, something changed. When you live together, it's obvious you have different parts of the forest. The birds and animals started to fight each other. Animals with their upright tail and horns said, "We are the best." So birds also moved their feathers and said, "No, we are the best." And the war started. Once someone's ego is hurt, it ends up in a war, a quarrel, a fight, even bloodshed. The same story was about to be repeated here. A dangerous war started between the two groups. A lot of kill and noise was created. During this war, only the bat was quiet. Neither did he join the birds or the animals group. He was happily swinging on the tree. The birds were very annoyed with him. "What is this? Despite being one of us, you're behaving like a stranger. You're only watching and not fighting." "What does it mean such a big war's going on here and become a question of life and death?" "The animals are killing us, and you're just sitting like a fool swinging here and there. Attack those animals!" The leaders of the bird troop ordered the bat angrily. Then the bat replied, "I am a fool because I don't attack the animals? If you have good eyesight, then look at my face. Do I have a bill? Have you ever seen a bird without a bill? You idiot! I am just fine." Bat said this and laughed on his own, and unhappy birds left from there annoyed with the bat. But within no time, the captain of animals came and said, "Wow, you belong to us, great! Then you attack those worthless birds. Go and fight them and kill them." Then the bat turned towards the animal and said, "Dear Captain, you are a fool to think I am an animal idiot. Look at my feathers. Have you ever seen an animal with such feathers? I am a bird, and how can I fight with them? You please go. Get lost." Now the animals turned angry on him. They also left him there. The war continued. Because of this war, everyone's work stopped. No one could do anything. They all were about to die soon. Then the birds and the animals sat together, discussed, talked, and thought of a solution. They then decided that the birds will live on the trees, and the animals would live below the trees. As soon as it was decided, the birds flew and sat on the trees. They saw the bat swinging. They said, "Hey, you're an animal. Get away from here or we'll kill you. Get lost." The poor bat got scared, fled from the tree. He fled down and sat near the animals. The captain of the animals group shouted, "Hey you're a bird." "Understood. Go get from here. Get lost or we'll kill you." Now this time the bat was in real trouble. He could not live on trees and not even on land. No one helped him. There was no place for him to stay. He started living in dark holes, and since then till today, the bat lives only in the dark. The end.
Okay, so we learned something about birds and about flying animals and different kind of animals. We talk about the differences. Now let's read. Bats and birds. Both bats and birds can fly. Both might see them on the rooftop. In other ways, bats and birds are very different. Birds have feathers. Bats have fur. Birds have beaks. Bats have teeth. Bats hang upside down when they rest. Birds never do that. Bats and birds are very easy to tell apart when they are not flying. Now we're going to answer the questions. How are the bats and birds alike? How are the bats and birds different? Write another way that bats and birds are different. Answer, glue it in your notebook and send me your evidences. Now, in your notebook, you're going to put Institute of Play, Thursday, September 3rd, 2020, the value that is freedom. Drawing. Vas a dibujarme un murciélago y un pájaro y me vas a escribir dos diferencias de cada uno. Cuando termines, envíame tu imagen. That will be everything for today. See you later, alligator.